Right, all right. Yo, listen, I got this little idea I've been kind of sitting on, and it just not came back to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and say it. What I, something that I want to do is um, I want to create, I want to create a company that basically has, like how you got tags on your clothes, like on the back is your tag, you know, how it has that stitched in tag. Well, I want to create a company that has this um delicate, not delicate, but soft yet flexible tag, okay? That when a person scans their attire at a store and then gives up the money and purchases it or uses a card for the transaction, I want this to be interlinked with a token. Interlinked with a token you can buy, right? And what this token does is this token provides daily statistical data of sales. And it charts it like a stock market, live data. What would happen if someone goes to the register, if multiple people today went to the register, scanned a pair of Adidas or a pair of Nikes and walked away and didn't leave out? How does that affect the value of the token? And then I want to partner. When I create this, I want to partner with these companies, um, Adidas, Nike, Garmin, and start attacking widespread. Widespread. I was curious. I was looking, trying to see how many um, Nike Deep Minds were purchased today. Can't find that on the web. I was looking, trying to find how many um, Nike, the new Nike catalog in China were purchased in China today, or dating back from its first initial release. Can't find that information. So there's a gap in the industry. So what happens? I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get live data, start, let's just say of every Nike and Adidas and Pumas and all of this stuff, Under Armour items that's in stores. But I was thinking, when you look at the register, are these registers hooked up to Wi-Fi? If they are, there will be multiple ways of doing that, which it does have some type of, it is hooked up to some form of a system, right? I think I know that much. It is hooked up to some form of a system. And I feel like this thing would be extremely cheap. I want to create it, patent it. It'll be extremely cheap. But the beauty is the data and how that data can be monetized. Yep. How that data can be monetized. How that data can be delegated for other forms of monetization. So let's just say, for instance, it'll be a form of a DFT. Data fungible tokens. So let's say, for instance, you look at the catalog of Derrick Rose under the Nike umbrella, right? You look at Derrick Rose, you'll be able to purchase Derrick Rose DFTs, right? For his shoe brand, right? Under the Nike umbrella. You can also purchase the Nike DFTs, right? Tokens, data fungible tokens, and you purchase these Nike DFTs, and these Nike DFTs will basically comprise of everything. But what if you wanted to own LeBron James DFTs and you didn't want to purchase Nike DFTs? You see what I'm saying? So it'll have its subdivisions. And these DFTs can be traded, they can be held, and they would work great for the longevity of the brand. It'll also be great in capturing the and monetizing the virality of the moment of each brand associated that's involved with this project. Yep. I'm gonna work on that. Exactly what I want. Exactly what I'm gonna do.